In this video, we will be downloading the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO file. And if you find it useful, considering giving a like and subscribe, and we'll have lots more videos like this for every single basic need for Windows Server. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Google and search up Windows 11 ISO download. And then if you select download Windows 11, you'll see here there's a lot of different options that you have, but what concerns me is this one right here, the disk image ISO, because this is good for virtualization. And as it says here, this option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media, either USB flash drive or DVD, or create a virtual machine ISO file. So that's what I want to do, create a virtual machine. So in this case, I'm going to select the multi-edition and hit confirm. Select the product language. You'll select English because that is what I am. And it's just going to validate the request. Might take some time. And then there you go. You have a link valid for 24 hours. And then you just select the 64-bit download. And you'll see it up here. Windows 11 25H2, which is the build. English x64.iso. So once that's done, you can go ahead and do whatever you want with it. But it's just that simple. And it would be the same process for Windows 10 as well.